beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see on my thumbnail, it's my birthday. Shout out to all the August babies out there. Wish you a very happy birthday. This year, due to this pandemic, we are keeping it low, but hey, today, I repeat today, my friends, Bombay Sapphire, vodka and makeup is what I'll be using to celebrate my birthday. So let's get started with the get ready with me makeup tutorial. I have already moisturized my face with the Olay Complete Lotion and I'm applying the L'Oreal Glow Look face primer to prime my face for the heavy makeup I'm planning to apply today. Cause girl, why go light on your birthday? Go all out or go home. I used the CoverGirl brow pencil and the Moodstruck eyeshadow palette number 2 to draw and fill my eyebrows. Today, I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Concealer to prime my eyelids. This is in the shade of 08 Seduction. Like I say, ensure your eyeshadow base is lighter than your skin color so the eyeshadow colors can basically be noticeable. I'm using the Supernova Baked Eyeshadow Palette from BH Cosmetics. The darker shades which I'm using are Scorpio and Luna. These are gray and black shades. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I am using the pigmented silver shade called Libra to give it a highlighted look. Again, guys, you guys can use any palettes as far as it has these grays, black, and silver tones. This should definitely put up this look and you should be basically good. Then I'm lining my eyes with the black eyeliner from Sephora, lashes on, and let's dab that foundation on. Today I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC42. I had to apply basically 2 layers of this foundation because I'm going for a more of a full coverage look. However, as you can see, my skin is really red on the video, and due to that I had to apply twice and ensure that my skin had full coverage. To highlight the high points of my face, I'm using my favorite concealer from CoverGirl called the True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade M900. I have used many high-end concealers, but CoverGirl and Revlon are my favorite drugstore concealers. These last up till a full 12-hour wear without creasing. My birthday is the only day I go all out and spoil myself. I need COVID-19 to be done and over by next year so I can actually celebrate my birthday with my loved ones. Let me know how you are celebrating your birthday this year with this pandemic. I like to use the MAC pressed powder in the shade NC42 right after applying the foundation so I can get the matte look. Everyone knows by now what I use to bake my face. Yes girl, Huda Beauty setting powder. Instead of using the cream contour, I'm using the Lancome bronzing powder to contour my face and the Marc Jacobs Glow Kit in the shade 81 Showstopper to highlight my cheekbones, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and my chin area. I'm lining my lip with the dark brown lip liner, and I'm using my favorite lipstick brand, Milani, in the shade number 14, Devotion, for that bold red look. I absolutely love their matte lipstick line by Milani. I could say basically it's comparable to the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick line. To line my lower lash line, I'm using the Moodstruck palette from Unique in the shade Peppy for the bold look. And we're almost done. So I'm using the finishing mist from MAC. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and a huge shout out to all the Leos, the August babies, for watching my video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you for watching.